Hello everyone, this is Kunal Patel and I'm doing a review for CS342, Program 3 tiles. Let's begin. So the author on the left here has a super long main where he declares everything that's being done by this Java class in here inside the main. And this programmer seems to keep repeating that habit even inside the search tree. Here you can see that there's this public search tree, and inside of it there's this 130 lines long code in there. You can easily break this down into smaller chunks, which is probably helpful if someone's reviewing your code, easier for them to understand. And also here you can see this chunk right here. It looks like it's very similar to what it's doing. At this level, I expect the programmer to have a function that can do all these different conditions. So the only difference here is different conditions that it's checking and probably doing different tasks based on that. So I hope that a programmer can create a function where it can take different condition inputs and carry out a certain task. Instead of repeating this, it's like grunt work. You're repeating this many times. Because when the question comes down to what if you had like 100 line worth of code, what would you do in that instance? So the program on the right does this very well, where he breaks down the functions into smaller chunks, nicely done. But then the one thing the program on the right is missing is a constant.java. Constant.java, which basically essentially for this program was to have all the constants used between different classes being declared inside one file, which will be shared amongst all. And that's all. Thank you.